Hi guys, my name is Jennie. Today I would like to show you how to cook some Korean food. Especially today I would like to cook Korean rice cake soup. We eat rice cake soup on New Year's Day. As you know, Asian people celebrated New Year's Day by lunar calendar. So New Year's Day is coming. So I would like to show you how to cook rice cake soup. First, we need a soup. I bought this 2-pack of beef bone soup. You can see this kind of soup every market in Korea. So I bought a 2-pack. First, put this soup on the saucepan. And then boiling. Okay, ready? And then I'll show you rice cake. This rice cake is actual shape is like this long shape because our ancestors think if we eat this kind of rice cake, we live long and make a fortune and get more happiness. So they cut this kind of coin shape because maybe we eat this soup, eat coin, so we make a fortune more and more. And then I will wash it in cold water. Okay. And the soup is boiling now. First, you put some garlic, minced garlic. This is minced garlic. And put this rice cake. So actual color is white, but today I prepare 5 color. Also, you can buy this kind of rice cake in every market very easily. And boiling. During boiling this soup, I'll make some topping for this soup. We need some beef, rump of beef, and egg, and this one, dried seaweed. Okay? And then before fried this rump of beef, you put some minced garlic and some soy sauce, little bit soy sauce. Okay? And you mix it together. And some black pepper. Okay? During the boiling cake soup, you stir it. So do not stick it together. Do not stick together. So stir it. You pour cooking oil, the fry pan, and then the temperature is high up, and then you put this beef. I will use this fried beef for the topping of this soup, we usually put this soup 3 kind of topping. The first this beef, and then egg and seaweed. So I will show you next. Okay, and it's ready. And then after that, we need eggs. So you break the eggs. And mix it together. So when you make egg topping, you need not high temperature. We put low temperature and put some oil, a little bit oil. I think it's better to put some salt. A little bit salt. Hold these eggs. If you want more yellow topping, you can split white part and yellow part. But now I also mix together. Okay. I need more time. Now you cool down this egg. After you prepare this egg, and I will make a seaweed. This is a dried seaweed. So you put on the pan. This time you don't put the oil. Without oil, you just fry like this. Okay. When fried thoroughly, you break it down easily into a little bit greenish. It's ready. Okay, put here. Now I will cut this egg. You roll it like this, and then cut it. And this is spring onion. I will cut some spring onion for the topping. And then I will break down this dried seaweed. With your hand, you break it down like this. Now look at this. This Korean rice cake soup is boiling. We are ready to serve. So I need a big bowl. And pour it. And then I will put these toppings. First, we fried some beef. You can put on top of this soup. And then you put some egg and some green onions. And then put this dried seaweed. And put some sesame seeds. Okay, this one is Korean tteokguk. Name, if I can say in English, Korean cake soup. So that's my Korean cake soup. Today I showed how to make a Korean rice cake soup. So next time I'll show you different kind of Korean food. Maybe next time is japchae. Japchae is a kind of noodle. It also we have this kind of japchae on New Year's Day. So see you next time. Bye.